Hello and welcome to English Growth Zone. This channel is created for learners who want to improve their English and personal skills step by step in a simple and clear way. Here we learn through stories, ideas, and meaningful lessons that help us grow with confidence. Today we are going to talk about a powerful idea that can change not only your learning journey, but also your entire life. This topic is called the power of a growth mindset. Many people believe success depends on talent or luck, but in reality, success depends on thinking, patience, and daily effort. Understanding the growth mindset helps learners stay strong, motivated, and hopeful even when learning feels difficult. Let us explore how this mindset can slowly build confidence, knowledge, and success. The power of a growth mindset lies in the belief that abilities are not fixed and that improvement is always possible through effort, learning, and patience. A growth mindset teaches us that intelligence, skills, and success are not something we are born with only once, but something we can build step by step. People with a growth mindset do not fear challenges. Instead of avoiding difficult situations, they see them as opportunities to learn. They understand that progress takes time and that every small effort adds value to their future.
A growth mindset does not see failure as the end. Failure becomes a teacher. When mistakes happen, they do not say, "I am not good enough." They say, "I am still learning." This simple change in thinking creates a powerful difference. Instead of feeling discouraged, the learner feels motivated to try again. Over time, this mindset builds resilience, confidence, and emotional strength. People who grow are not those who never fail, but those who never stop learning from failure. The growth mindset is especially important in learning new skills like language, education, or personal development. Many learners quit early because they compare themselves with others. A growth mindset removes comparison and replaces it with self-progress. It focuses on personal improvement instead of perfection. When learners believe they can improve with practice, they stay consistent. Consistency then becomes the bridge between effort and success.
Another strong aspect of a growth mindset is patience. Growth does not happen overnight. People with this mindset understand that results come slowly but surely. They respect the process. They show up every day, even when motivation is low. This daily discipline builds strong habits, and habits shape character. Over time, what once felt difficult becomes natural and easy. A growth mindset also changes the way we see effort. Instead of seeing effort as a burden, it becomes a sign of growth. Every attempt, even an imperfect one, is a step forward. This mindset removes fear of judgment and replaces it with curiosity. People begin to ask better questions, explore new ideas, and stay open to feedback. Feedback is no longer taken as criticism, but as guidance for improvement. In professional and personal life, a growth mindset helps people adapt to change. The world changes fast, and those who are flexible succeed more easily. Instead of feeling threatened by new challenges, growth-minded people learn new skills and adjust their direction. They stay relevant, confident, and mentally strong. This mindset builds leadership, creativity, and problem-solving ability. The power of a growth mindset is also deeply connected to self-belief. When people believe they can improve, they take responsibility for their actions. They stop blaming circumstances and start working on solutions. This sense of control increases motivation and inner peace. Progress becomes a journey, not a race. Each small improvement becomes meaningful because it brings the learner closer to their goal.
This mindset also teaches patience during difficult times. Every learner faces moments when progress feels slow or invisible. A growth mindset reminds us that learning is happening even when results are not immediately visible. Just like a seed grows under the soil before appearing as a plant, learning grows quietly inside the brain before showing results outside. This understanding helps learners stay calm and consistent. In the end, a growth mindset is not about being perfect or successful all the time. It is about being willing to learn, willing to try, and willing to grow. It teaches us that where we start does not decide where we end. With patience, effort, and the right mindset, growth becomes inevitable. When we change the way we think, we change the way we learn and live. That is the true power of a growth mindset.
If you enjoyed this video and want to improve your English step by step, subscribe to our channel English Growth Zone. Here we grow together with stories, motivation, and easy English for everyday life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.